I wanted to show you guys this really nice jewelry set that I received from the company. It's this really soft material and it comes that you can stack it. It has all different compartments and then you can stack them and change them around. So you can fit all different types of jewelry in here. It's great for your necklaces, your rings, your earrings. Definitely get these if you're looking. I think they also work so perfect for a drawer for inside your nightstand or any type of drawer in a closet space. Again, really beautiful material, very soft, of nice size. They are they are about, let's see, I just want to show you on my ruler. So here is in inches. So you can see they're almost about 8 inches by like 8 by 4 each one, and then they're all stackable. So definitely give these a try. Really happy with these and great quality.